I posted that earlier this week. Today was another reminder, August 19th, 2022. S&P's down over 1%. Now, as a buy and hold S&P investor, you're guaranteed that loss. Are you good with that? Of course not. Now, there's only one way to solve that problem, and that's to short the S&P today. Let me show you a chart from today. S&P opens lower and goes lower. Opens about 60 basis points, drops about 70 basis points. The origin of this XY axis, by the way, is the New York Open. Those trend lines I've been putting on charts for 30 years. One day at a time for the last 30 years in every asset class and every time zone in the world. Stocks, bonds, currencies, energies, metals, and grains. And why is that important? Well, it keeps me dialed in. It helps me analyze patterns, identify patterns, do research, build systems. A lot of people say to me, Eric, why global macro S&P? If you looked around the world today, clear signs that the S&P was vulnerable before the open. Yeah. And the S&P is the last market to open in the world, so it's logical, right? Now, you know what's also logical? Investing on both sides of the market. Now, I talk defense all the time. A buddy of mine said to me today, Eric, you're always talking defense. Yeah, hello, it's the problem. You want to defend the nest? You want to protect the nest? Let's go back and look at, this is the S&P, drops 1%. That's a 1% loss. You want to profit from that? You want to protect some of these gains we've had in the last 8 weeks, 19% rally in the last 8 weeks? You want to lock some of that in? There's only one thing that can help you, and that's to short the S&P when you need defense and step aside when you don't. Again, my buddy's like, you're always talking defense. I can't help it. Can we buy the S&P? Absolutely. You can't have success selling the market if you can't identify strength, and vice versa. Bottom line is, if you want a better long-term investment in the S&P, you have to manage equity market risk one day at a time, and you have to invest on both sides of the market. It's logical.